very simple dance. 5, 6, 2 to the right. 1, 2, left. 1, 2. Move the right foot forward to ride 4 beats. Ride, 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 ride. Now depending upon your knees and your dexterity, you may be able to take it low, you may be able to grind it more, put your own stank on it as one of my students would say, all right? So from the top, and then I'm gonna finish it out. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? With the right foot, step, 1, 2, kick. Left, 1, 2, kick. Step, tap, step, tap. Point to the right, because that's the wall we're going to turn to. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting all over again. Right, left, right, 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 right. Step, 1, 2, kick, step, 1, 2, kick, step, tap, step, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Short, easy peasy. I'll do a demo for you. In fact, just hang out a few minutes and check it out. And it's not new. They've been doing this in the deep south and in the country for a long time, but it has suddenly caught on all across the United States. Just a word, there are a plethora of line dances out there. Some of them have been out there for years, some of them are new. There are very talented choreographers that are making up dances. If you're taking classes, don't just get caught with what the trend is, because there's some old classics too. And if you go to a line dance function, they don't just do what's trending, they bring back some of the old stuff too. So just keep in mind, there are thousands of line dances out there. And hang in with this channel, because you'll find that I don't just do tutorials for trail ride dances, I do tutorials for a lot of different dances, old school music, R&B, mixed music, artists are crossing over, so just different things.